this topic we will talk about the displacement current. Okay, displacement current. So through the magnetic wave, electromagnetic field, the parts of which flows is from one place to another. This is a displacement current from one to another. Okay, and here is also we have the Ampere's law, Ampere's theory is also we will talk about it. But very first we will talk about the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. So here is one thing is spectrum. Spectrum means what? The arrangement of all electromagnetic wave in order. Okay, arrangement of EM wave in order is called a spectrum, and they are of two types. Okay, they are of two type spectrum: visible spectrum and invisible. Visible and invisible spectrum. And this invisible, it is of 7 type. It is of 7 types. Okay, and here we will talk about the 7 type spectrum. Their wavelength and their source we will talk. Now here we will talk about the spectrum. First number, it comes the gamma. The gamma rays. This is the symbol of gamma ray. First we will write the spectrum, then we will write the wavelength, and we will write their source, and we will write here uses also, because these uses they asked here. Okay, so wavelength. Okay, gamma rays. Then second number, it comes the X rays. Okay, at number third, it comes the UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation. At number 4, it comes the visible light. Okay, visible light. At number 5, it is very common, infrared radiation. INFRARED, infrared radiation. And number 6, here we will talk the microwave. Okay, and number 7, we will talk here the radio wave. Okay, radio wave. And very simple, you have to learn the wavelength in the meter. You can also learn this in the hertz also. Frequency you can learn in the hertz also. Nanometer, octometer, etc. We have to be discuss here out the more. Now the first one, we have the wavelength. It is 0.0001 angstrom to 1 angstrom. Okay, and it is from 1 angstrom to the 100 angstrom. You know that 10 to the power 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. By using this, you can convert from meter, centimeter, nanometer, etc. So here is 100, and now the UV, this have 100 angstrom to the 4000 angstrom. And now visual region, it is start from 4000 angstrom to 7900 angstrom, and the infrared start from 7900 angstrom to the 10 to the power, this goes to the 10 to the power 7 angstrom. This is 10. Okay, 10 to the power, and this one 10 to the power 7 to the 10 to the power 9 angstrom, and the last one 10 to the power 9 angstrom to the 10 to the power 14 angstrom. Okay, it is in the some book 14, and some book it is also written 12. So whatever it is, you can write. So learn this wavelength also, because sometimes they ask the wavelength, so you name it. And now here we will talk about the source, from which source they produced, what are their source of production. They also ask this question. So the gamma, they produce by the nucleus, by the section of nucleus, NUCLEUS, nucleus. Okay, it is the source of. And X-ray, they are produces from the X-ray tube. They are produces from X-ray tube. So learn this source also. And now here we will talk the UV rays from the arc lamp. They produce from the arc lamp. And now the visible, they produce from excitation, EXCITATION, excitation of electron. So their source is excitation of electron. And the infrared, they produces from the atom, vibration of the two atoms. And the microwave, they produce it from the magnetron valve, magnetron, magnetron valve is the production source of the. And last one is the radio, by the oscillation of circuit, oscillatory oscillatory circuit is the production of the these wave. Now if we can talk about